1994.
They say they on they block, it's time to slide. Fuck them up.
Customer states cars not starting. Just have fuel pump installed. Get here. This is what I see. Back of the seat cut up.
Make them hot, double dutch.
What's going on?
He did got two poles, doubled up.
So now we have this mess going on. Not starting. Thinks it could be a cushion position.
Light him up. Don't hype him up, cause he'll die. How your whole block cry.
This is clearly not a crankshaft position. There's two on this vehicle. I'll put underneath the back.
But I slide first.
Left part of the motor.
That's that Nick, nigga.
Hey, side. Check the relay. The relay's right over there. That's good. The signal going to the relay. And car's not starting. So regardless, don't cut other people's car without asking. So like and subscribe. This helps you out. That should help you out a little bit. Don't do this ever. Peace.